Good day, everyone. I'm Ola May, and welcome to my channel. This is part 2 of my unboxing from the fireworks sale. I think I'm going to end up with 3 videos, but this is part 2 of the same box. And if once you see what's inside, you will understand why I broke it up into 2 different videos. But this is part of the new colors, y'all. Look at the brightness in the box. So this is from the Greta collection. So I will actually start with the color that differs from the others. I wasn't quite sure on which color I wanted. I knew which one I really wanted, but excuse me. But just a moment. Excuse me. I wasn't sure which color I wanted and which silhouette. If I wanted both or which one. But one definitely screamed spring summer more than the other. So I ended up going with this color and the large wristlet. So this is red. Let's see if I put red on the tag. So it looks like just the code for it. So this is the Blakeley. Does it have a B in there? It does. So that's the code for Blakeley there. And I guess that's the code for red. So this is the red Blakeley large wristlet in the Greta print. These are featured in my new colors video at Dillard's. And this is really like a mini purse. It has the card slots inside, the tan trim around the zipper. Card slots, it's 1, 2, 3. So there's 6 card slots on that side with the large zipper. Does have a registration card. The front side, just a slip pocket that goes all the way across. But this large wristlet can definitely be used as a clutch for a night out, or inside carry of your main purse to help organize it. And the strap, of course, it is detachable as well. So this is the first item in red. I'll bring it closer so you all can see the back side. And it does have this pretty tan leather piping that goes all around the wristlet itself. So that is item 1. Item number 2 is really this new popping color. New to me. I don't know if it was an older color that came in this print back in the day or not, but definitely new to me. And this color is coral. Y'all, this is so pretty. When I saw this in person at Dillard's, I thought this color was so pretty. And then I was on Facebook about, I think it's been 2 weeks now ago, at least over a week ago. And someone posted that these were on the ILD site, and they did not have the picture, but it had the color description. So I figured they were gone, but I went back on there and looked, and they were still there. So I definitely placed my order for it. I made a quick video and a short showing the screenshots of it on the ILD site. So I hope you all were able to catch these as well before they went off sale, because this is definitely a good price compared to the full price of what it currently is in store now. Same interior setup with the 6 card slots on the side. the detachable zipper, leather tab. And I'll give you a close-up of this one as well. I hope the coral is picking up on camera, but it is very pretty. The DB letters, compared to this one, it looks like they're the same color. So the DB is kind of like the same color as the leather piping, I would say. But that's the red and the coral side by side. So you can see the difference in the colors. So those are items 1 and 2. And then I do have one more accessory here as well. This is a color I do not have or did not have. It's coral. So this is a coral large frame coin purse or kiss lock coin purse. And normal setup inside for the kiss lock. It has the card slots on the side with the leather that matches the exterior. Card slots on that side as well. So another pretty accessory. It would definitely help organize your purse, or if you just keep your essentials in here and want to grab it and not take your whole purse, you can definitely do that. And I thought again that was a pretty nice set to go together. So since I have 2 corals, you probably guessed what the final item is that I grabbed from the sale. This was the only silhouette offered. I'm really waiting, y'all, on the drawstring because that drawstring is so cute. But this is the small Celeste satchel. Let me move these over because I think it's keeping me from putting it more centered here. And this is also in the color coral. This is such a springy, pretty color. And even though it's considered a spring coral color, I think it could definitely still be carried year round as well. But here it is. Small Celeste satchel in the color coral. So we are going to unwrap the straps. The Celeste does have this pretty braided leather. And y'all know the Celeste as well. It does come in a larger size. It's kind of more out, would stand out with a wider width and base as well. So it does have feet. This is the back side of it. And let's see what the color description is. It says coral, but it does have small Celeste satchel on there as well. So this is the Blakeley small Celeste satchel. I love the braided leather. That detail, I think it definitely adds a nice touch to the bag itself. I do prefer to have the hardware here so that my handles have more flexibility. But that was not an option. This was the only option so far. So definitely going to keep my eye out and see what other silhouettes make it to the ILD site. Or even the Dooney site itself to see if that drawstring is going to make it, y'all, for a much cuter price than it is in the store. So let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, I think I caught the paper. No. Okay, there we go. Okay. Strap. I don't know if it's my eyes or the color, kind of the coral blending together, but it looks like the leather, has like a light coral undertone to it. I think it's a combination of the lighting and the the purse itself playing a trick on my eyes. So this can be used as a top carry with no strap. It can be used as a carried as a shoulder bag. And it can be carried as a crossbody. So this is the inside. The front side of the purse has one long slip pocket. The back side has the zip pocket with the slip pocket in the front. And then the leather Dooney&Bourke logo as well. Try to get a better close-up of the inside without knocking the camera out. And let me unwrap the strap. Looks like I need to cut that. All right, so unwrap the strap. And so I'm glad I broke this up into 2 videos, y'all, because that would have been a long video trying to open part 1 and part 2 all together. So this is the strap to match. I feel like this strap could have been a little wider as well to match the width of the handles, but the leather definitely matches. And again, with it being detachable, I have the option to put any strap on here I want to. But this is so pretty and bright. Put this one on there. And that's it with the strap. Isn't that pretty? And with the accessories. I don't know if this is going to fit in here. Let me see. Because this is a really large wristlet. So let's see if it fits inside. It could, but with something in it, that's going to be a pretty tight fit. So I don't think I would. It fits in there. But just think, if it's something in the wristlet, it's going to be harder to get it in and out. So I probably wouldn't necessarily carry this inside of the small Celeste itself. So I'm glad I did get this kiss lock, because this has no problem fitting there at all. And it matches pretty. So that's a cute set itself. So since this doesn't fit in there, maybe that's my sign that I'll get the larger silhouette to fit the wristlet too. But that's definitely a cute set. Let me put it together there, and I can probably try to get a cute picture out of it. Let's see. I don't know if that is all in there or not. Okay, and then for this one, let me show you what it matches and why why I'm actually glad I got the red as well. So let me show you what it matches. Give me just a moment. Okay, y'all, so when I picked out the red coral, red large wristlet, I actually had this purse in mind. I figured that would match pretty well. Now the Blakeley does have this lighter tan leather versus the more darker brown leather on this small Aubrey. This is the small Audrey. I hope I haven't been saying Aubrey, or didn't say Aubrey in the other video. This is a small Audrey satchel in red, pebble grain. But the leather compared to the Blakeley, it is darker on the Audrey. The Blakeley definitely has the lighter tan. But if I use this with it, I would probably put my brown leather strap on here or just take the strap off altogether. But this is the purse that I had in mind to match this large wristlet in the red Greta print. So I think that's a pretty set as well. So comment below, y'all. Let me know what you all think. If you were able to grab anything from the new color collection. I can't get my words out, y'all. From the new color collection in the coral or the red. And I'm looking forward to even more colors. Look, I didn't even expect these colors to come out from Dooney&Bourke, especially in the Greta print. So this was definitely a surprise to me. But I'm looking forward to even more colors. So I think that's definitely cute. A great purchase. I'm happy with it. Looking forward to carrying it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Sorry it is kind of long. But thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing. I really do appreciate it. Thank you again and have a wonderful day.